Kilai posan ngut kibla syakem hakijan miet jong ke arpuar tarik unai tunggas nem arajar arpuar na Rimpu Bagan Resort kabadon Eden Bari West Garo Hills District kilalait ujor syakem Megalia Human Rights Commission bat ke National Human Rights Commission banyo ya kijing bisyar ke bahok halor ke jing syak harap lekam auria dah ke bakam bat pengat yaki hakikandon ain baper. Ya kini kini samla kentai bat senrang ke lapen pau lingba kinong pathai kubor aka arpau santarik mentau ku lalengkot arajar arpau lai hasilong press club. Hakane kesengi shipau ngut ke samla kentai bat senrang na rilum garo ke ba umkwa ban penpau kerteng bat durkmat keliyatu halor ke jingja hakajan mi jong ke arpau artarik unaitung kesnam arajar arpau ar balala hakaba kumban repau san ngut ke thai bat kirang kila syakam hakipulit hakaba don na pedeng jongki ke belalit songkai pengat Rimpu Bagan Resort kabelalong trai do MDC jong ke seng BJP natura ubernat marak kentup yakitu ke belalit sak basa haki yang sa kibadon hakani ke jaka kilayatu bahaga sengi baki pulit kelalik kendra Rimpu Bagan kipulit kelakam pathari kesamlakan thai bat senrang klem dasngap ya ke jing sisa hakabadon na pedeng jongki ke basyusongkai pengat bat non pat kidai kibani kiwai pat ki district kibadai kibawan don kam satura bat hap sakmit hangni Layatu bagi pulit kila penlong ke jingkhandra hadu saukan tasiteng bat hadian kane lakem yaki bat hathanat apen song yaki klem jingbam ni ko bandi bat lara banle ika medical check up hakapor arbaje men step jong ke arpolai tarik unaitung kat ba kini ke samla senrang bat kentai ke dang don hathanan layatu bakila syak pendik haki babon rukom haki hek pulin kentup haki investigating officer kabalatip kerteng kum ke mamta hajong ki bajule tok met yaki bat layatu bayaki senrang lilai lapin syong bet satunum ying klem jingkir jingda haki baki hap pansya yau slap kal air klem bam klem di Kini ke samla kaliyatu bayaki kentai lilai ke pulit kila penbor bakin kubur baki dai ke thai nuti bat penbor ru yaki bakin keren persya yo Bernard marak. Hadin shibnai bakilayo jamin na kayeng syari lai pausan ngut na kini ke samla kelele ujore kini ke jingle thombor jingki pulin jaka Megalia Human Rights Commission bat jaka National Human Rights Commission bat kat kum ke jingbu tarik jong ke Megalia Human Rights Commission ban khot hajiri ke arliang mamla kadai banlong haka khat pra tarik mentau benai kelalengkot arajar arpaulai Hendrai umtip na ke eka daw, lapentip syaki daw SP ke West Garo Hills District, baya ke jingkot hajar lapen kendria syau benai leber arhajar arpaulai.
Then IO, she's the IO of our case, Mamta Hajom. She even threw some of our food in the dustbin. I even asked her if I can keep my food. To which she replied to me in a rude manner saying that what food, this is not a hotel. Then after some time we were told to sign the papers along with our parents' and guardians' signatures as witness. So while signing, one police woman in uniform using bad words, she cursed one of the female victims. And while signing, I was the last one to sign the papers, and when I tried to read the papers, she didn't let me finish reading, and we were forced to sign those papers. She asked to call my parents, saying that I have been arrested and my parents' signature is needed as witness. So I inquired her why was I arrested? She answered that I was arrested under immoral human trafficking case. While we were there, the OC lady, she hit my partner on his head, and while asking him to call his parents, she even made fun of his late father in the court in front of everyone. And after some times, the statement were also taken in the court, and we were among those who got bail at around 1 a.m. the next day. Now on 22nd July 2020, that is on Monday, we went to the police station in order to sign in the register, which we were supposed to sign or report every Monday for 4 months as per bail condition from the court. We were always made to wait whenever we report at Tura Women Police Station, and we were also told that our statement will be taken again and again. Now on 22nd of August 2022, on reporting before OC Tura Women Police Station, she personally asked me if there were any stuff, my clothes in our car, which was seized by them for a month, and why have I brought those clothes, to which I answered that yes, I took all my clothes because I was going to stay at my boyfriend's house for some days. She even asked me if I carried my inner garments, for which I also replied that yes, they were everything. Then she accused me, saying that she saw my inner garments lying in the floor of the car, but I took all my clothes in a plastic bag, which were not even touched at the time. Then she added, saying that she was just telling what she saw. But that was totally false allegation, because my plastic bag was just lying as it was from the beginning. That day in the evening, when my partner, he went to take the car, which was seized by the police for more than 1 month, he saw that all my belongings, our belongings, were not in the order anymore, and the back door dicky, it was open. He saw that my clothes were not in the plastic bag as I had kept them. Neither it was on the floor as accused by the OC, but it was in the dashboard. Some of our belongings were also missing, including my cash of about rupees 1,000, and my 2 old memory cards, which I kept in my purse, and my cosmetics, and some of my partner's stuff. And they even took out my sanitary pads from the packet, and they scattered them on the floor in the back seat. Now my grievance is that I'm very sure that we have been wrongly implicated in this immoral human trafficking case. Further, the matter could have been solved in human way instead of unnecessarily arresting us. We were also verbally abused by some of the police personnel who was present at Rimpu Bagan, and while completion of all the formalities, videos and pictures of several arrested persons taken at different locations were on circulation in social media also, which is totally unacceptable. It never crossed my mind that men in uniform, he disrespected our parents and our guardians. So we personally filed this complaint in MHRC, as we felt that we are wrongly accused of the crime, and moreover we are still in depression after being arrested in this case. Even my family, they had to undergo so much of trauma. Above all, I felt that my future career is in jeopardy due to this wrongly accusation, due to this wrongly arrest, and that it has affected us. And I want my respect to be restored, and I should be free from all the liabilities from this case. Therefore, in order to get due justice, we have no other option but to file a case in MHRC.